What's up, guys? Jacob Harvey here from Harvey Brothers Productions, and today we are going to be doing a pit bike challenge. That's right, we're going to be doing jumps, burnouts, obstacle courses, everything you want, all in muddy weather to make it super interesting. See you guys out there. So what we're going to be trying to win today is the Dirty Brunette. This is it. We found this in an old mining cart down in the coal mines in our valley, and yeah, we'll be racing, doing obstacle courses and stuff for you guys to try and win it. Our first event, Isaac Harvey will be racing first, and we are going to do a Yamaha style start. So he'll run to the bike, start it up, and then do 2 laps, and then come in, we'll swap out, I'll do it, and whoever's the fastest time will get the points for this event. All right, Isaac, you ready?
Oh yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, so the timer has started. Isaac's going. Kickstand up, kickstart art. 1 kick. Oh, no. 1 kick on. And he's off. 11 seconds. That is a good time. Well, we don't know if it's a good time. We shall see. He's up the back straight. Looks very wobbly. Big guys on a little bike isn't very nice for it. Ooh, over the little jump. There is no grip out there. Holy cow, he's sliding around. Oh, very slow up the back straight. That little bike being punished. Not meant for big guys. Oh, almost loses over the bridge and across the line. So, Isaac's time, 53 seconds, .01, 53:01. Wow. The bike is very muddy. All right, so what do you think your time was?
Long.
53 seconds.
Okay.
And yeah, that was second lap. You didn't have a lot of grip up that back straight.
There's no grip anywhere. And he nearly ran off the bridge.
Yeah. All right, guys. So that was Isaac's run. I'm gonna get my helmet on, swap back. We'll see who's fastest.
Okay, so now we have Jacob Harvey. Gonna go for 2 laps, and he's gonna lose to me. He's gonna get a terrible start. I already know it. Let's just watch this happen. All right, Jacob, are you ready?
Yeah.
In 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh.
And he's off. And he's off. Where is it? Where? Okay, oh, I guess he's back on the track. And coming over the bridge, almost misses the bridge, over the jump, round, and stop. Let's check in with Jacob now.
How was it?
What do you think you got?
55.
50.
Okay.
2.37.
Yeah!
Ugh.
I got a terrible start too.
Yes, I know.
You're mine.
1 point towards the Dirty Brunette going into round 2. Okay, guys, so I just lost that event. Pretty humiliating. We're now going to take a jump test and see who gets the most air. Whoever gets the most air gets a point. And let's hope he crashes. No offense to him, but let's hope he does so that way I can win. So there's Jacob in 3, 2, 1, go! And a poor start because there is literally no grip out here. Just got done snowing. I know you guys can't tell, but it did.
There's no grip.
Okay, Jacob, so
Wow. That was terrible.
as much as I hate to say this, this is what you got from here to here. So that's what,
You can't.
10 inches.
You can't gain any speed.
There's 10. You got 10 inches. Good job, Jake. Now I'm gonna go and I'm going to whip your butt.
Wanna bet you're heavier than me? It's gonna be hard.
I'll do it.
So Isaac's down getting set up, and I will admit my run was terrible. See that orange flag? That's where I got. But there is no grip whatsoever out here. Like, you're full throttle and you're just burning out up that hill. It's a gnarly pull, but Isaac thinks he'll do better, so let's find out. 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah, that's what I thought. There's no grip at all. No grip. I don't know if you guys can tell, but here's Isaac's.
And here's Jacob's.
It is just barely
It's like
ahead.
an inch
Barely ahead. But I'm happy because you were really cocky. You were like, oh, I bet I can get more grip. There's nothing. There's no, like...
No, I mean, you can see where the bike wanted to go for another run. I had no control over that.
Yeah, that was insane. But I was just happy that you learned.
1-to-1 going into the third round.
Yeah. All right, guys. Next round. All right, so the next challenge we are doing is a burnout challenge from right where that piece of plastic is up to those trees with the X's on them. So Isaac's gonna get ready. We'll just see. I'll set the camera up and we'll just see who goes further.
Okay, guys, so Jacob had it wrong. He's going to be going first, and I'm going to kick his butt. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, I don't know about you guys, but that looked pretty sucky. That was like 2 seconds maybe before I stopped seeing dirt fling up. So I'm going to go now, and we'll see who wins this one.
Alright, so mine was not that good. It felt like I was doing it a lot longer. So now Isaac's gonna set up, get ready. Yeah, that was pretty embarrassing. I thought I was doing it. Yeah, it was not good. Not good at all, but here comes Isaac lining up. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh. Okay, so yeah, he beat me. Isaac is now in first in the competition, 2-1.
Big burnout.
He did it the way that I was thinking about doing it, but I didn't. So now we're gonna go on to the fourth challenge. We have 5 of them for you guys, so we'll get ready to do it. So the fourth challenge is going to be drifting. So this entire corner, you have to drift. Whoever drifts better is going to win this challenge. I have to win this. If Isaac wins it, it's over. We'll still do the final challenge, but it's over. So I have to do good here. Isaac's gonna go first. See how he does.
Let it fall down. If you let it fall down,
Yeah.
immediately lost if you fall down.
Okay.
Let it fall down.
All right, Isaac's going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so that wasn't a drift at all.
No, you had a little bit at the beginning.
Yeah.
I think I can beat that.
I hope you fall over.
I think I can beat that.
It's not very good.
All right, we'll see.
Okay, so now we have Jacob. He thinks he can beat me. We're about to find out. In 3, 2, 1, go. So that wasn't even the course. So we're gonna make you go again.
Again?
Yeah, again. Because you didn't go to the course. Next time I'll just disqualify you. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go. this here, guys. This is Jacob's track. No signs of drifts, no signs of drifts. Little bit of a drift here, but that's it. You didn't do any drifting but that. I did this. I did all of this.
Isaac, this entire thing.
This isn't drifting. You can see the entire thing. It's one line. You have to have 2 lines. And there's your only part where you have 2 lines. Here's my inside. Here's my outside.
No.
Yes.
No.
You lose.
No.
Okay, we'll call it a tie.
Okay, so we each get 1 point.
Yes.
So next, I could either tie or you could win.
Yes.
Okay, I'll settle for that.
Okay, round 5. This is it. Okay, here we have Jacob Harvey, TTR 110. About to do an obstacle course for you guys. I'm going to head over to the timing station. I'll tell him to go, and we'll start the entire event. In 3, 2, 1, begin.
I feel like that's a pretty respectable time.
So Jacob, what do you think that was?
42?
36.65.
32? I think that's a pretty respectable time.
We don't know if that's good or bad. You're the only one to have taken the time
Oh,
to
the
lap on
rocks
it.
up there, I caught my peg a little bit.
Yeah, we heard that.
Yeah, but other than that, I think it was pretty solid.
Okay, well, I'm gonna take a go. We'll figure out if it's a tie or a win. And if it's a tie, we'll come up with another event for you guys. See who's the ultimate champion.
So we got Isaac going to line up for the obstacle course. See if my time's good, okay, or terrible. 3, 2, 1, go! And he's off. Good start by Isaac. Is he gonna shift? No, it's staying in second. Oh, he got caught a little bit. Not as bad as I did. Hammering through that rough section. It is pretty gnarly over. Oh, hits the metal sled. Around that. Solid. Solid. We won't tell him. We won't tell him.
No way was that slow.
Isaac. Sorry. Don't know what to tell you.
I was faster and you deleted the time.
It was a 26:06. So
I'm 10 seconds faster.
and I know where it is. It's all with that rock. But still, Isaac Harvey is the now ruler of the Dirty Burnett. Isaac has won the challenge for today. If you guys like this, leave a comment down below. We will be glad to do more of these with the YZ, with the XR. Like and subscribe. Yes. Harvey Brothers Production. Isaac Harvey is our winner.